100,000 facts.
Guys, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it is I, the one and only OP Skills. How's everybody doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run an entire YouTube channel straight from your Android device. This could be your tablet, phone, it really doesn't matter. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it for completely free, not a penny charged. Basically, what I'm going to show you guys how to do is how to edit your videos, how to create your thumbnails, how to record your videos, and after you do that, actually edit the tags, the description, the title, all that good stuff once you upload it to YouTube. Everything I am about to show you guys is the exact same stuff you could do if you were to do it on a computer, except you can actually do it on your tablet or your phone for completely free. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, so these are the apps that you guys are going to need to do this. Okay, so let's get started. First off, the apps that you'll need, I'll have a link to each of these in the description below for you guys. But first off, you're going to need KineMaster, which is the video editor. Floating camera you don't really need, but it is kind of good if you want to do face cam and stuff. Mobizen does have its own face cam, which you guys can see that's what I have here. And so that is just if you want it. It can kind of give you a little bit of a higher grade face cam if you really want that, but it really doesn't make a difference. Photoshop Touch, and then you also need background eraser. Well, again, background eraser you don't actually really need. I'll explain each of these as I get into them. Mobizen you need for your screen recorder, which is it's an amazing screen recorder. It's 100% free, and like I said, this will work really well for recording your screen. Now this does have a watermark, but you can remove it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick right now. Here, if you go to settings, you can change your video settings, all that kind of stuff, the quality, and all that kind of stuff there. You can record audio on and off, so if you don't really want to talk or whatever, you know, you can actually just turn that off. Front camera, you would enable that, obviously, for your face cam, you know, as I have here. And then here is the watermark. All you would really do to disable this is just slide that left or right, and that will enable and disable and all that good stuff for the watermark. And then you also need Mega. And again, like I said, I'll explain why you need each of these and what they're used for as we get into them. So let's move on and get to the next thing. Okay guys, so here is KineMaster. This is your video editor. When you guys first bring up KineMaster, it'll have all these different videos here. This is where all your projects and stuff will be archived. Now, obviously, you just want to hit Empty Project and then go to Media Browser, and you can actually use these. And you can actually use this to add your videos and all your different things like that in here. So, let's see here. I'll just bring up a quick little one here to show you. Bring it up. Go. Alright, now this gives you a lot of the same options as Sony Vegas, but it is completely free, and it's obviously a little watered down. It is on an Android tablet. So let's see, layer here, you've got video, image, sticker, text, handwriting, all that good stuff. So video, you can actually add like a little kind of screen in there if you guys want to do like a reaction video or something, which is kind of big right now for some reason. Images, you can add images, stickers, all that kind of stuff. It's kind of self-explanatory. Voice, you can actually add like commentary or whatever you want to to your gameplay. Audio, you can add music, all that kind of stuff. And then as you guys can see here, I actually have Call of Duty footage here. All you really have to do for this, if you guys want to get like Call of Duty or Overwatch footage or something like that, just search royalty-free gameplay, free to use royalty-free gameplay on YouTube, and then you guys can actually download like Black Ops 3 footage or Overwatch footage, whatever you really want, and you can actually just add it to KineMaster and do your own kind of commentary and stuff like that with it. So anyway, now that we're done with KineMaster, I'll go to Photoshop Touch and show you guys how that works. Okay guys, now here we are on Photoshop Touch. Again, this is all your all of your images and everything like that will be archived here. And if you want to start a new image, you would just go to down here, then go to Photo Library, and then Gallery, and then let's see, here we go. So I'll just bring this up and give you guys a quick little example of how this all works. So Basically, here you've got all your basic, your basic tools. You got crop, image size, rotate, all that good stuff. Warp, basically, I'll give you guys an example of what that kind of does. It just kind of warps the image. And then, see, you can transform the image. So, say, for example, you want to add maybe like a glow, coming out from the edges of the photo. So you would do this, and then here you would just add, like, let's see, a glow here, and you can actually add, your glow and all that kind of stuff there. So obviously I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to click out of that. Now, as far as your image size, you guys want to have this on 1280 by 720. Otherwise, you'll get those kind of black bars there. It won't actually cover the full recommended size, and it'll look like crap. So you want to have 1280 by 720. Again, 1280 by 720, or it will not work. And then if you want to go over here, you can actually add more images into this one. So for example, let's go to photo layer and photo library. And now when I mentioned background eraser, this is why I mentioned the background eraser. If you guys want to add, like, your face or something, I'll add my freaking hideous, traumatizing face here. And you guys can see how this works. It actually took the background image out because I didn't remove the glow. But basically, this is just to show you guys you can use like your own face or whatever in the image. If you guys want to do that, add your face to the thumbnail or whatever. I don't really do that a whole lot because I don't want to scare all my viewers away and traumatize them for life. But that is something you can do if you guys want to do that. So now that we've got all that stuff out of the way, let's get straight to how to edit your videos and all that kind of stuff once you have them uploaded to YouTube. Okay guys, so here we are. Here I am on the web browser. As you guys can see here, this is my YouTube channel and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys are wondering how I'm actually able to see it in this perspective, in this format on the tablet, I'll show you guys how to do it. See these three little dots up here? I actually just hit I hit new tab, my fault. Okay, so basically all you want to do is you want to hit these three little these little dots up here, and then you want to hit request desktop site. This will bring you to the desktop site. Now, if you're wanting to edit the description, the title, or go to the YouTube video editor to include, like, maybe you want to add your your intro or anything like that into it, you have to do it on the desktop site because unfortunately the mobile site does not allow you to do it. So you have to do it on the desktop site, and like I said, right there is how you go to the desktop site. So for example, say you can give you guys a quick little example here. You can go to edit, and this will allow you to change your thumbnail, everything like that, just like you would on on your computer. And then you go to create over here, and let's see, go to video editor. And basically what this will do is, like I said, you can add like your clips and stuff like that into it. Add your intro. If you have an intro, you want to add an intro into it, you can do that. And again, you may need to upgrade your web browser on your tablet in order to have all the full features of this. But honestly, I've been able to make do so far because like I said, obviously I don't use the YouTube video editor to edit my videos. I just use KineMaster. So for example, say I'll add my intro there, and then I want to add that. So then there you go. You'd have your intro and all that kind of stuff just like you would on your computer. So basically, that is pretty much it. So that's all you really need to know. You can actually run your entire YouTube channel just based off of this stuff here. It's all completely free. It's all 1080p, all high quality stuff, and you can get it all for completely free. Again, like I said, I'll have all of these apps linked down in the description below if you guys want to check them out. I'll maybe even put them in a comment if you guys want. So anyway, that is pretty much it. Oh, by the way, I actually don't know if I mentioned, but Mega, you actually will need that to download Photoshop Touch and KineMaster. So I'll have a link to those in the description below as well. But apart from that, that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, be sure to give it a huge like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.